Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Shopify and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.